Hello folks. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to Guru Tech Solutions. Are you an academic researcher or a content writer who finds the job to be hectic and time-consuming? Do you feel like you're using outdated techniques to rewrite your content? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we will resolve this issue. Paraphrasing is a crucial skill that every academic researcher and content writer must master. It can be challenging to rewrite a text while maintaining the same meaning, tone, and style. This process can be time-consuming and often leads to frustration. However, with the advancements in AI technology, you can now simplify the paraphrasing process with just a few clicks. AI tools can change your life in this regard, so in today's video we will be learning about 3 free best AI tools which can you in paraphrasing your text. Stay tuned till last of the video. So let's start. So, let's suppose this is the text I want to paraphrase, using the 3 various AI tools. AI tool number 1. Open your browser and type Spinbot. This will lead you this page. From here you need to click the very first link. By clicking you will land on this page. This is the official page and the interface looks like this. Here you can see there is an option to paste your text. So, let me open my file, select the text you want to paraphrase and copy it. Now simply paste here. Here you go. Now the text has been uploaded on Spinbot. One of the best features is you can paraphrase or rewrite 10,000 words at a time. Now click the basic spin and see the magic. Boom! Here you go, viewers. On your single click the entire text has been paraphrased. So it was first AI tool which can be used for paraphrasing your content. Now let's discuss the second best AI tool. AI tool number 2. Type in your search bar, Quillbot. This is the second most used AI for paraphrasing. Click the first link and this will land you on this official page. See this the main interface of the official page of Quillbot. The process is same as discussed for the previous AI tool. Open your file, copy the text. And you just need to paste here. Click the paraphrase and see the magic. Boom! Here you go, everything paraphrased. You can see the text, it has changed now. Besides, one of the best features is you can replace each word by different word since it gives this option. Read the text until you get fully satisfied. If in case you didn't, don't worry, it gives you multiple paraphrase text. You just need to click the paraphrase again and it will change the entire text for you. Repeat the process until you get full satisfaction on your write-up. The third AI tool is emerging one. It has drastically changed everything. It's ChatGPT. Yes, you can use ChatGPT as your paraphrasing tool. I have various videos on ChatGPT, you can watch them by clicking the link above. You just need to open it and you have to ask ChatGPT for paraphrasing your text. It says yes, it can certainly paraphrase the provided text. Again, you just need to copy the text and paste here. And see the magic. Boom! Here you go, your paraphrase text is ready. In this way you can use ChatGPT as your paraphrasing tool. As we discussed 3 free and best AI tools for paraphrasing, hopefully this will make your task easier. I am confident this video is helpful. If so, kindly let me know by commenting on this video. Please do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay tuned. Till we meet again, take care.